chicks out there. These things one like the other. Rainbow and all of the colors. All over. Found love like me. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm the only one of me. Baby, that's a part of me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm on my way out to make an errand for my mother. So it's been a while since I came here. This is Airland, now named Jelco. I'm so shy right now. Ate, meron po yung sinigang na may free.
Sinigang na may?
Yung may free po na plato or ano, coffee.
Tingnan mo. Ayan na.
Here I am now. It's been so long, I don't know the places of the products here now. It's changed a lot. As I was saying before, never mind, there's people around. I'm shy. I thought after shopping, I pressed the video button, but I'm in the photo AI camera. I'm so dumb. So as I was saying, it's been a while since I took an errand in this shopping mall called Airland before, now a Jelco. So before it's whole, but now it's half, since a fire broke out before, and the only renovated part now is the half part of it. So it became small, but still good, and I'm reminiscing my memories when I'm coming there. Yeah, it's good. The sun is burning my skin. Look at the sun, it's so bright, and the wind is so hot. I have a practice in our church, JCF Church, at 4 p.m. but I have, what do you call that? Prior engagement with my friend Froylan and James to meet at the cafe, internet cafe, and play Valorant. I said I'll play 2 games only since it's already 2 p.m. I'm still not used to talking like this in the public, so the angle of my phone is low. I think I'll get used to it soon, but it will take time. This is my outfit for today. I don't know if I was able to show it. Sapang Balen. So I came here successfully after getting fried in the sun outside. There's an aircon here, and here's the 2 addicts in Valorant. I'm here at ECR Cafe with my friends. Ano sa English na, no? Sawana? Huh? Ano English na Sawana?
Sawana? I have enough.
Hindi iba pa. Just pause while thinking the English of Sawana. I'll just improvise and say, I'm tired. Oh yeah, just kidding. It's just a joke. So we're going to play Valorant. Hope I can. He got defeated because of games. He's playing for so long, but still bot track.
26. Taas? Ay, agad kasi ni
Pang iron lang level.
Pwede mag-start na kami.
Sige, wala magbubuhat sa inyo.
Walang ano? Walang magbubuhat? Ay, sorry.
Magbubuhat tapos bot bag. Pag sumaya sa inyo, mas mahirap pa kayo kasi silver yung mga kalaban.
Uy, gold yung kalaban namin dito.
Patingin nga, anong gold? Nasaan gold dyan? Sinungaling, bot frag ka sa bronze.
May gold kami na kapabuhat ka na. Saan tayo tagal mo?
Siyang sa bot frag ah. Dito time lapse sa video pala. Nagsawa na ako sa time lapse sa video naman.
Ako, nagsawa na ako sa plano.
Mawalisin kita sa frame. Dito na lang. Ayaw naman ni James. Ayaw naman. Tignan mo yun. Ayaw daw ni James. Ilagay mo ba ang flash para malinaw? Hindi. Kaso kitang kita tayo. Try natin na.
Ay,
Masakit na pa.
ako na lang.
Parang dilim naman. I turned down the flashlight. So it's much clearer. Hindi ba't kasi kasama sa frame si James eh?
Hindi, ayaw mo lang talaga. Uy, tagal naman na sa'yo.
Ewan ko, what's that? Ayan na pala. Parang ang sala naman. I-Singapore mo. Para may mga foreigners.
Ay, gati.
Sige. Pag naman bot frag ka dito.
Kung magbubuhat pa ako.
Palitan ko nga yung cover ko, wait lang. Ayaw kong kap...
Ayaw, togan to.
I-Singapore mo nga. Singapore server. Wait, change ko yun. Ayaw ko itang kamukha ng ano. Ano kasi tawag dito? Kingdom Credit.
Ang dami-dami mong ano.
Ito ba yung binili ba? O, start mo na. Tingnan ko. Saan nakakabili?
Ano yun?
Ay, may bago na.
Yung ganun. Kano ano ba yung available sa'yo?
Maganda to, no?
Ako, oo.
Maganda lang.
Ano yan? Patingin.
Ano lang? Kaya hindi kita kamukha.
Ano yung ano mo? Sa shop mo? Patingin niya.
Ano siya?
Ano yung una?
Ano lang? Sticker.
Emote? Emote yan?
Moments to play. Rank. Piling ko. Ang dami kong binibideo, di ko naman ginedit.
Hindi naman lalabas sa papa.
Siyempre, nakakaya.
Dumating na si Plano.
Naya nga ako ng binibideo. Ano?
Dumating ka na, magutom na ako.
May masarap daw kasi.
Kapigas ako eh.
Wala pa lang nakikita dito. Parang.
Ano kasi yung giant set mo? Malaki naman ng mga...
Sabi ko, play floor. They're going to play Cypher and Reyna. Ito timelapse ko na lang ata yung laro, no? Hindi na tayo pasalita din. So, ano gusto mo sabihin sa video? Wala ko na topic. Gusto ko na kasi makita yung video kapag sa future kung ano yung ano.
Kaya, ikaw-compile mo ganyan, tapos bibigyan mo ng background music parang ganyan. Yung ginagawa na sa TikTok.
Hindi naman. Ewan ko lang. Wala pa akong plan. Gusto ko na mag-video.
Ano yun, kasi story.
This is the place I'm always going when I want to play Valorant.
Hindi kita kilala.
What?
Anong what?
Naiya ka sa akin, mas naiya ako sa'yo.
Balik ka. Baka kasi pagkaguluhan ka dito. Hindi ka
Ang pagkaguluhan. Nagbibideo lang ako. Later, we'll go back. We'll just take a time lapse. Fair? Bye-bye? Below heaven. Wow, my bad. My bad, my bad.
Na, wait lang. Refreshing! Refreshing! Natawag na very good me.
You guys are really at swing.
I can buy.
Singapore to,
You
di
want
ba?
again?
Singapore, di ba?
Say, please, daddy.
Yeah.
Nice!
Yeah. Hindi ka nag-cringe. He's so cringy for us.
Ikaw na yung
Maybe that's you.
Saya pala dito sa Singapore. Ano yun? Ano ba mag-entry ah?
I could smell under that. I'll take care of you.
Ako yung...
Oy! Fuck!
Oh, my bad. My aim's so bad. One mid.
Jetson.
They're both true. They're both true.
Yeah, sige, kita ko. Ay, rotating mid.
Oh, wait na.
Ay! Flanking.
Oh.
Ang bilis umikot ng jet. Hold nyo na lang yung ano. Nasa,
Careful,
Nasa
tree.
likod, nasa likod, nasa likod.
Heaven?
Heaven, heaven. Heaven jet. Jet heaven. Nice.
Nice! Let's go.
Ganito pala yung ano na. Ano daw?
Hindi ka mo nagtindihan.
Ganito yung silver plano.
So, paano mo siya maririnig sa vlog? Kasi nasa earphone siya, no? Paano siya maririnig? Sa vlog. Wala akong screen recorder kasi.
Miranda, Miranda. Miranda, Miranda.
Go, 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 go.
Wait. I will hold here. I will hold here.
Let's go. Nice.
Tama na, spin ko ba? Ano ba yan?
Very nice, Dad.
Very good.
He didn't get the skin.
Ha? Merienda. Ah, alam ko. Ay. What? Okay. Ano daw?
Okay, ganyan parang tanga. Mid.
Ay, shit! 120 cyber. Ano yan? Entrance ba yan? Two inside. 120 cyber.
A?
A side. Dun sa ano, dito sa taas. Sige, pre-hold mo na lang. Ay, wala ka na pala word. Ang kabila, pre, dito sila sa spawn, sa pinaka-door. Dito sila nakaabang. Mali yung camera. Pero pwede na ito. Sa pinaka-left side mo. Ito,
Third
nandito sa
Where are they?
Where they are. Sorry no. Saving yata sila.
I think they're saving or not.
Trolley seat. Baka na lang ng skin pag meron skin sa may. Sa may stairs. Sa may stairs. Ano ka pa eh.
They're heat. The 6 minutes na. We found weirdo like James.
Yung gameplay.
She's called Kang Kang Father.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. I got this.
So
But I got
weird
no
too.
attack. Don't have a gun.
By the way, where are you from? Tail.
I'm from my mother.
Okay.
Wait. Marunong yung
I'm not talking to you, Reina. Really? I'll smoke. Mabas? Eh.
Side. Ay, meron doon sa ano, backside ah. Meron sa good. Nasa side yung ano. Ay, 140 jet. Side.
Oh my bad! Cover!
Kaya mo yun, bro. Low yung
I
ano.
should be.
Low
Nice.
yan. One tap.
Eh?
One tap. Sige,
Very
bro.
low, 10
One tap
HP
yan.
jet.
Baka nandun sa ibaba niyan.
So that's the only way.
Yan, kita ka.
Never.
Palahatiin mo. Ayun.
Ah!
Nalikod na pala.
Tumaas. Sobra yung lipad niya.
Yeah.
Okay. We are here to push. Okay,
Let's stop this now. We're having fun.
Doon mo daw kantano yun.
Wait, offline.
Ikaw mapag-ino eh.
Oh my bad. I got caught.
Why? Ay, wait.
Market.
Ay, shit. Nawansa pa ako. Rotate kayo. Oo nga.
Nice.
Cut.
3 seconds more. Let's go. Alright. So we met a player from Vietnam. He's also weird like that one. James. Yeah.
Ano?
But he's a good player, by the way.
Danos! Danos!
Nice. So there's this language barrier. Player with you can rush. Rush.
May ano eh. 2.25.
Gago.
Tingnan natin yung may ult yung ano eh.
Two here.
Out. Sino to? Lanos, out ka na. Ah, good luck sa'yo.
Oh my bad. My aim is so bad.
Save ka, save ka, save ka.
Takbo ka na, alam na nila.
Stay ka lang dyan.
Tapos balik ka doon din.
Wag, pumunta dyan sila dadami.
Slow ka lang.
Dyan sila.
Oh, nakita na na.
Hindi mo ako nakita, boy.
NT.
Tayo na huwag na nga i-rush. Doon lang natin.
Hindi pwede mid eh.
Maganda yun kasi nag-rotate pa lang sila. Narinig ko sila ng ano.
May ulti naman yung KO. Pwede
Oo
tayo
nga.
mag-rush.
Kasi na-smoke ko na
Go
din.
rush, rush. Ay.
Hindi lang tayo pumasok yung error.
Nakabandal ka kanina, diba?
Ito meron.
Oo, vandal ako nila.
May mic ako.
Wala.
Wala ba? Full by jet. Full by jet. You can rush KO hustle.
I'll smoke, you can rush.
Amin na.
Ang nang rush. Ayoko na nga. May bundle pre kung may bundle. Ay, kinuha pala ng plano. Ba't ka na? Ba't mo na friends? Nasa iyo yung ano? Huwag ka lang mamamatay agad.
Let's go. Nakikita ko ng ano. Nakikita ko na.
Oh, hold.
Here, beside you guys.
Hold.
Beside you, Kaya.
Nandyan ha. Kapapakamatay pro, naka-audio pa sila. Nice. Ace.
Let's go!
Yes.
GG's!
GG.
Nice.
Last game na.
That was nice. So I'm going home now. We lost due to James.
Not my fault. It's not my fault.
That was nice.
Kaya pa lang yung jet.
After a week. Oh,
Ay,
two?
gold 3 yan no?
2. 80. Say bye daw.
Bye.
Pupuntang Amerika yan.
Nangiting kayo?
Practice.
Nang?
Sa linggo.
Ha?
Praise. Wala na ako naiwan. Nanda lang ako, 60s.
Baka basta po PC-80 to, no?
Apat lang dala ako.
Wala ka naman dalang iba.
So, I'm going now. So, I'll go home now. I'll try not to be shy going home. I'll raise this. I hope I'll not get shy. I'm very shy. And I need to get a haircut. My hair is so... Let's see. I'm not together. I'm getting shy. Let's do this. The next place is just around the corner. They're not looking at me. I need to take that. Ah, so hot. My skin is burning. within my mindset and the one that I watched before. People has many worries that they will not bother with you. Yeah, I'll take that. I hope it will be fun. Looking at this video in the future, my future self that has so many free time, living a life to the fullest without much worries. It's just studying right now. I wonder what I look like when I'm working already. Looking forward to that time. Philippine climate now is so weird. Super hot. Unlike before, it's hot, but it's not this hot. I'll watch this video when I got home. I can see clearly it's dark. I arrived in the church. We have practice today too. Here I come. What time is it? I think it's not 4 o'clock. It's 3:50, I think. Hi guys.